Okay, this is our newest product. So as you can see, it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lamps, and each lamps have 10 buttons. So it have 80 buttons in total. For these buttons, you can change its function by yourself. As you can see right now, you can run a software on your computer, then you can drop the buttons from here, from this side to here to change it. Yes, and you can see it's been updated to this device, right? So right now, I will try to show you something. Take an example. If I press this button, it will open a web link on the PC side. So let me show you. Right now, I will press this one, and you can see, yes, it's opened a menu to open a Google Chrome on my computers. So it's very simple. One more function right now, it can use it to control you can see the Blackmagic device is here. Right now, I will press this button, after it will switched. You can see here and here. Then press button, it will move, see, move. It's okay, very easy for your use. By the way, you also can use the joystick to control you can see here, you can control it. So it's very easy for PTZ control and zoom in, zoom out.